Welcome to AndroIndian. In this video, we explain the most important project management roles and responsibilities and why each role is critical for project success. Projects rarely fail because of technology. They fail because of unclear responsibilities, poor leadership, and role confusion. Successful projects depend on the right people in the right roles, making the right decisions at the right time. The most important project roles include the project manager, project sponsor, customer, product owner, project team, and end users. The project management team guides planning, coordination, risk management, and delivery from project initiation to completion. The project manager is the hub. They ensure strategic alignment and maintain accountability across all work packages and deliverables. Next is the project sponsor. This is the executive champion who provides resources, removes blockers, and ensures the project delivers its intended value. Without a strong sponsor, projects lack the necessary authority and financial backing to overcome major organizational challenges. Then we have the customer. They define the needs and ultimately determine if the project is a success by accepting the final product. In the AndroIndian framework, we focus on value engineering to ensure the customer gets exactly what they need to drive their business forward. In Agile environments, the product owner is the voice of the customer. They manage the product backlog and prioritize tasks based on business value. They bridge the gap between business strategy and technical execution, ensuring the team is always working on the right things. The project team are the doers. These are the subject matter experts, developers, and analysts who produce the project deliverables. Technical excellence and cross-functional collaboration are their hallmarks. They turn plans into reality. Finally, the end users. They are the ones who will use the product daily. Their feedback during user acceptance testing is vital. Successful adoption by end users is the true metric of a project's operational success and long-term viability. Let's see how these roles interact. In the initiation phase, the sponsor and PM align on the project's purpose and scope. During planning, the PM and team build the WBS, defining every detail to ensure clear paths for execution. Execution is where the team shines, delivering value in sprints while the PM monitors progress and quality. Finally, in monitoring and closing, the PM and sponsor ensure all requirements are met before the final handover. Strong governance ensures that roles are respected and processes like PMP standards are strictly followed for maximum efficiency. Whether it's Android development or complex logistics, understanding these roles is key to modern project excellence. Mastering these roles is about more than just titles. It's about creating a system that delivers consistent value. Visit AndroIndian.com for more insights. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.